Yo, this is WMV. We done go right here. Go to the top. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're here. What's up?
Look, we're hella high up.
Hell yeah, dude. Like on top of the shit.
WMV.
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 Represent.
Now,
Yep, going down. Going down. I say peace too. Over there. Made it. We're here in downtown. We're playing pool. There's nobody here right now, but yeah, we're first gonna start the break. After the game, we're heading home. 2 lost, 2 games to me, and I lost 2. So I guess it's a tie. But January, we're trying to be a man like him. Press the button. Manual. Hey, big button up there. I almost died. Anyways. Okay. What? 384. I'll show you how many. Alright. Oh. What?
beat my score.
Fell. What should be the highest score?
Alright.
BT. I wasn't trying to beat my score.
We just played pool a while ago, and we were playing with the punching machine too. 2 was helping me, but anyways, we're gonna go get some ice cream. That's what bitch, and we're gonna go eat some ice cream and go home after that.
Jade 2 getting ice cream. Our ice cream at the we're at Coast on. We're at awesome place. Oh yeah, ice cream. Ice cream everywhere. Ice cream. Stop.
Here's out there eating like a baby. Look at his ice cream. Look at Jay eating ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Eating like a fat
Bitch. Alright. To the rest of your West Now members, your club missed out.